So today we got a 2011 HHR LT flex fuel, and customer had a hard time changing his rear wiper.
I'm also having a hard time myself. Things.
Is that a trick?
Alright, so you can see how the new one goes in. If I just lift it up a little bit more, then I should be able to just slide this bad boy out of there, because this is the way it goes in the new one. And it's nothing but a hook. It's a locking hook too.
Oh, here, clip. Oh.
Nothing happened there. We just unlocked it a little bit, Mikey. So now, man, this is just stupid as what? Really? All the way back here? What the hell was he thinking, man?
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Jesus
It's
Christ.
a backwards hook. Well,
All right, then.
there you go, guys. Now you don't have to worry about breaking your blade now.
Pain in the balls.
Yeah, we figured it out for you guys. There you go. Boom. Goes in Coffee 101.